A personal injury lawyer is flooded with documents from everywhere. Emails, mailed paperwork, in-office contracts, and faxes from the courthouse. All too often, everything ends up dumped into a single folder with file names like complaint_02_1 or court_filing_04_1, creating a cluttered mess that leaves you guessing. FabSoft's AI File Pro makes your files easy to identify, automatically analyzing documents, structuring folders logically, and renaming files for instant recognition. Your documents are given meaningful names like deposition notes, claim JLS 001234, whiplash injury assessment.pdf. Folders are created and named using terms like court filings, depositions, medical records. Now, you just drop your documents into a watch folder, and AI File Pro will automatically process them into the appropriate folder. Your time is valuable. Let AI File Pro handle the burden of organizing your documents so you can stay focused on what matters most: defending your client.